The decisions we make right now affect where we are in the coming, next few weeks and months.
All Utahns 16 and older can now sign up to get the COVID-19 vaccine, but they may have to wait a few weeks to actually get it.
Fox 13's Sydney Glenn spoke with healthcare leaders about why it is important not to wait to sign up for the vaccine. She's at the Maverick Center in West Valley City, where you can either get a vaccine or a COVID test there in the parking lot. Hi, Sydney.
Hi there, Bob and Kelly. Healthcare leaders say right now we are in this race against the new COVID-19 variants and the vaccine.
Go get vaccinated. Your turn is here.
It's the moment many have been waiting a year for. Almost all Utahns can now get the shot.
So if we can get the vaccine, we can get it into people's arms because they're coming to us, and we can stay protected in the meantime. We can control this.
The spokesperson for the Utah Department of Health is asking everyone to be patient, but not give up.
There will be enough vaccine for everybody who wants to get vaccinated. There's not immediately enough vaccine for everybody.
Dr. Tamara Sheffield says if we want to see herd immunity and get this virus under control, people cannot wait to get a vaccine appointment.
That's my biggest concern, is that our younger individuals won't think it's important enough and they won't come in.
Dr. Emily Spivak says we could ruin the progress we've made if people wait. With new variants making their way into Utah, we need to get people protected quickly.
In order to slow and decrease the likelihood of that happening, everyone needs to go out and get vaccinated now. It's really a race, again, vaccines versus these variants.
In order to speed up the process, health leaders ask people to not vaccine shop and take whichever vaccine is available.
We know a lot. It's pretty clear that these vaccines are incredibly effective and are safe.
Now we wait for the moment of normalcy to come once again.
If people step up and get vaccinated, if they don't wait and they all get vaccinated together, then within that period of time, we may be able to get to that point where we don't have the virus circulating, and we're protected enough, we're not going to be passing it to each other.
A spokesperson for the Utah Department of Health is asking everyone to make sure if you are getting one of those vaccines that requires 2 doses, you do both doses at the same location. He says that's been kind of an issue. People try to get 1 dose at one location and then for their second dose switch locations, and that just kind of makes inventory management a mess. So he's asking everyone to make sure you do both doses at the same place. Live in West Valley City, Sydney Glenn, Fox 13 News, Utah.